Here's how to use Seal Spray Foam insulation. Here's what you'll need: eye protection, adhesive repellent gloves, respirator in some cases, professional gun applicator. For overhead applications, use our special angled gun, included spray gun tip, gun foam cleaner or other acetone spray. And here's how to use it. Make sure all application surfaces are clean. Shake the can vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. While holding the can upright, attach the gun like this. Attach the application nozzle. Rotate as necessary. Turn the can upside down and start applying. To get the most from each can of spray foam insulation, make sure you're using the included applicator tip and an even continuous spraying technique. Output can be adjusted by using the regulator knob. Apply foam from a distance of 13 to 17 inches. Maximum thickness of the foam should not exceed 3/4 of an inch. A new layer can be applied after 30 minutes. For best results, slightly moisten the previous layer. Remember to shake can for 20 to 30 seconds between applications. Angled gun available for overhead applications. When you're finished spraying, clean any excess uncured foam with gun foam cleaner or acetone. And that's it, you're done. Seal Spray Foam insulation. Just another smart solution from the Seal Spray Foam family of products that helps you seal the deal.